guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm just going to tell you that how to permanently delete a post or a reel on Instagram, which is pretty simple and easy to do. So just make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel because it helps me much more. Thanks guys. So first of all, just open up your Instagram app and go to your profile section, and in your profile just delete the particular post which you want to delete permanently. Just select that post and tap on the three lines on the top right and click on delete button to delete it, and click delete to continue. So that in this way you can delete your post on Instagram, but it's not permanently deleted. So in order to delete it permanently, just simply tap on the three lines on the top right and go to your activity options and click on recently deleted. It will show that particular post which you have deleted right now, and in order to delete it permanently, just simply tap on it and again tap on the three lines on the top right and click on delete to delete permanently. And here it says if you delete this post you will not be able to restore it. Just simply tap on delete to continue. So that's how you can easily permanently delete a post or a reel on Instagram. So I hope it helps you guys, and if you have any question about the tutorial, just leave in the comment section below and I'll catch you on the next video. Thanks guys.